Welcome to the service centre here at Barnyarns Sew Centre. I'm Will and I'm the head technician, and if you need your machine servicing or repairing, we can service it regardless of the brand. If you live close to us, you can arrange an appointment with us and drop it off, or if you live a little bit further away and need your machine collecting, we can collect from anywhere within the UK, providing you have your original packaging that the machine came in. Would you choose to get your machine serviced with us at Sew Centre? Well, we're an experienced team and we genuinely care about the machines that we're working on and provide fantastic customer service. Just head to our Trustpilot and look at some of the reviews that we've managed to achieve. We aim to have your machine for 4 to 5 working days, and we will notify you at any point if we think that there's going to be any delays due to any parts we might need to order for the machine, any hold-ups within the service. Thanks for watching the video, and if there's any questions that you might have about the service centre, please feel free to give us a call on one of our numbers that's available on the website.